In the wake of several recent unsolved crime cases, including the Waina robbery, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who also holds the home portfolio, convened a high-level review meeting with Goa police on Wednesday evening. Officers from almost all police stations and specialized branches attended the meeting. In a rare move, most officers were reportedly asked to deposit their mobile phones outside the meeting hall. Inside images from the review meeting show the CM seated alone on the dais while the DGP, IGP and several SP-ranked officers were made to sit in the front row. It is like a visual message underscoring the seriousness of the review and scrutiny. Because in previous meetings, the DGP would usually sit alongside the Chief Minister. According to sources, the Chief Minister strongly reprimanded officers for their failure to detect recent crime cases with particular focus on the three major unsolved robbery cases, including the recent Waina robbery. The Chief Minister reportedly used harsh words while referring to allegations of corruption against certain officers, reminding them to focus on their duty instead of money-making through corrupt means. Pramod Sawant also raised the issue of rising road accidents linked to the illegal rent-a-bike operations and questioned the officers whether they had turned a blind eye after taking bribes or whether they were genuinely unaware of illegal activities in their jurisdictions. CM Sawant further warned officers against misuse of official vehicles for personal purposes. Sources said that when one officer brought up the need of installing more CCTV cameras, the Chief Minister responded that the government would take necessary steps but added a stern caution that use CCTV cameras as a tool for prevention of crime and don't make yourself dependent on CCTV cameras for detection of crime. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant further directed police to strengthen and make beat policing more effective. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.